Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your profile with Meetup, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover your profile on Meetup, start by opening the Meetup app or visiting the Meetup website. On the home page, locate the sign in option at the top right corner. Click on sign in and then look for forgot password below the password entry field. Select forgot password to initiate the recovery process. You will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Meetup account. Type in your email address and click on the Send Email button. Check your email inbox for a message from Meetup with the subject Reset Your Password. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or open the email and click on the link provided to reset your password. You will be directed to a new page where you can enter a new password. Create a strong password and confirm it in the designated field. Once both fields are filled out, click on Submit to finalize the password change. Return to the Meetup sign-in page and enter your email address and new password. Click on Sign In to access your profile. If you successfully log in, you have recovered your profile. If the recovery does not work, consider reaching out to Meetup support for further assistance. Provide any necessary details to help them assist you in recovering your account. Follow any additional instructions they may provide to complete the recovery process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.